This old guy DIY video has to do with the most comfortable marsh chair ever, in my opinion. For years, hunting the local game areas, I sat on one of these things. As you see, it's a 2x4 with one end sharpened, with a 2x4 on top, and then I put a piece of 1/2-inch plywood on there and screwed it in so the thing doesn't rock around. But that worked great for years. Go out there, jam that thing in the mud and lean on it, particularly in our managed game areas, whether Shiawassee or Fish Point. This is kind of the standard. Then as I got older and spent more time waiting for ducks than actually shooting ducks, I thought I need something more comfortable and I need a backrest. So I took one of these boat seats and just put a regular boat swivel on it, and I attached it to a bar stool. And you see this one has particle board. This thing's probably 10 years old now. So anyway, I took a bar stool and I determined what height I would be comfortable with. In my case, I went 22 inches from the front of the seat to the bottom, and then I just marked it and cut the legs off. You can see I reinforced the leg unions with screws after I glued it, because this thing is subjected to water and mud and muck. And another nice thing about this setup is when you're in semi-soft bottom, these cross members end up picking up support from cattail roots or mud or whatever, so you really don't sink so far. But perhaps the nicest feature of this thing is I made this backrest. I took a piece of 1/2-inch conduit and just bent it, and I sat here and held it on with clamps to determine how high I wanted it, so when I sat on it, my head was right here and I had a nice comfortable headrest. And then I made it removable. It just has two of these 1/4-inch carriage bolts with wing nuts on the back, and this piece of plywood just spreads the force here. And then I put this crossbar on, so as I lean back on it, the headrest wants to cause these pieces to go in towards the thing, and it puts a lot of strain on the back of the chair. So when I put this cross member on it, and you can see that's just held on with zip ties, but once I put the cross member on, that thing just works out beautifully. So now when I go hunt someplace that's going to have a relatively hard bottom and I'm looking for a marsh chair, this is my chair of choice. If the cover is not very high, I just remove these two screws and sit in the chair the way it is. And if I'm sitting in flooded corn or high cattails, that type of thing, I use my nice headrest. And the other thing I'll do is take a piece of burlap or camo, that cut nylon material, and just throw it over the top of the thing so it kind of looks like a ghillie suit before you sit on it. But if I'm given one choice in addition to gun and shells of one thing to take with me when I'm hunting flooded fields with fairly hard bottoms, this would be my choice. So I hope this design causes you to think of something that might work for you. And if you like the idea, or if it causes you to think of something that'll make your hunting life easier, please subscribe. Thank you.